Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase profit margins with Oberlo step by step clearly. To increase profit margins with Oberlo, start by selecting a niche that aligns with your interests and market demand. Research trending products within that niche to identify items with high profit potential. Analyze competitors who are successfully selling similar products to understand their pricing strategies. Create a business plan that outlines your overall goals, target audience, and marketing strategies. Set up your Shopify store and integrate Oberlo to streamline product importation. Import products directly from Oberlo into your store, ensuring you choose high-quality items with good reviews. Adjust the pricing of the imported products to reflect your desired profit margins, considering costs such as shipping and transaction fees. Optimize your product descriptions and images to attract potential customers and enhance their shopping experience. Implement effective SEO strategies on your product pages to increase visibility in search engines and attract organic traffic. Promote your store through social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your products. Monitor your sales data regularly to assess which products are performing well and which are not. Make data-driven decisions to tweak your inventory, pricing, and marketing strategies based on customer feedback and sales trends. Consider bundling products or offering discounts for bulk purchases to encourage higher spending per transaction. Keep an eye on your competitors and industry trends to stay ahead and adjust your strategies accordingly. Focus on providing exceptional customer service to encourage repeat business and positive reviews. Continue to evaluate and refine your approach to ensure sustainable profit margins in the long run. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.